Hey, this is Ed, your landscaping coach. I recently talked to a representative from a company that markets this bendaBoard. And this is pretty common to have bendaBoard around the planting beds in order to lineate the planter bed from the lawn area. But this is at a library here in El Segundo. This is a professional commercial job site. I just want to show you how, if it's not installed correctly, you have situations where you have breakouts like this, where because it was not installed correctly, that particular bendaBoard broke right at the junction point. And that point is actually made for expansion and contraction. You also have situations like this where it's not really installed correctly. So all in all, this whole edging is not installed correct. So it would be behooving and very wise to understand the correct installation methods of installing landscape edging. There will be a workshop going on here in Southern California at the Southwest Border and Stone facility located over in Fullerton, California. We're going to have a representative from Epic Plastics that's going to be there, and he's going to be talking about the proper suggested way to install landscape edging. And I would encourage landscape contractors and do-it-yourselfers that are here in Southern California to attend to understand the basics of installing the landscape edging, the do's and don'ts, wills and won'ts. But this is a commercial site, and this is the installation that was done for that edging. So I just wanted to point it out here that it's not really installed correctly, and hopefully they don't have any injuries or any kind of problems happening here because of this. It looks atrocious. This is a pretty nice area of town over here in El Segundo, and have this happen out here in this front, it's kind of embarrassing. But they're lineating this planter bed area. In actuality, you really don't even need to do that because there's nothing really in there except for those shrubs down there at the other end. You kind of lineate those, but all this area here is pretty much blank. So at one time, I assume they had plant material in there. But the main objective is to point out this edging, how it's not installed correctly. And you actually see it's really too high. That person coming out of this entry point, they can come here and want to go across the lawn and go to their car or whatever and kick this right here and trip. Look, this pipe is broken because it's probably been kicked so many different times. So if you're in Southern California next week, be sure to check out the workshop. It's a lunch and learn workshop. The public is invited. I'll leave a link in my description that tells you a little bit more about what's going to happen and what's going to be discussed. Just wanted to point it out. There is proper ways of installing landscape edging, and this is not one of them. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Be sure to share this with your other colleagues and friends. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned and watch the magic.